Namaskaram. The next piece is on Sri Durga. The Nataraja temple in Chidambaram is dedicated to Lord Nataraja, Lord of Dance. The temple wall carvings display all 108 Karanas. These movements have been specifically researched by Padma Vibhushan Sri Dr. Padma Subramaniam, and is under whose lineage I am also learning these movements from Dr. Sri Sujata Mohan. These movements form the foundation of Bharatanatyam. These in fact form the foundation of very primordial movements in dance. This temple is located in Chidambaram. A little bit about this piece, Chinnanjiru Pen Pole. The song was written by Ulundur Petai Shanmuga Sundaram, and it was sung by Sirkali Govindarajan on the site where their imagination was just flowing, and a request was made to them and they compiled the song officially. This is about goddess Shivakami, who takes the form of a small girl who we worship as Durga on the banks of the temple tank called the Shiva Gangai. The goddess idol is a small stature. That's why the description is Chinnanjiru Pen Pole. The song lends itself for a beautiful Bharatanatyam piece because the phrase that says Chinnanjiru Pen Pole, Pinnal Jadai Anindavள், Sitradai Udutiyavள், Kannalagu, Nartanam. It simply talks about the beauty of goddess Durga, Chinnanjiru Pen Pole, by our students.